yeah, that little kid wanted a slip. Let me see where that kid is. Hey, it was a kid over here. Where he go? Oh, there you go. There you go, man. I'm gonna get you a big one. Already, man. You want one too, miss? Okay. Hold on. Now, hold up. Let me get organized, cause y'all bum rushing. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Look out racing. Yeah. Mira. I got my TikTok and everything on there. Get in one too. All right, here you go. My YouTube channel. Y'all think you finna make a full pass or no full pass? Let me see what these TikTokers, since y'all know everything. We got 3,600 people on TikTok, y'all. Where y'all from? My YouTube channel is called Lookout Racing, man. I'd love if a lot of y'all come over. We just broke the record tonight on how many people was live. I think we had about 800, almost 900. What they charging to get in here is only about $20 to race. Okay, we got 867 people. That's close to the record. If I can get any of my TikTokers to come over to my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing, that'll be real nice. Yeah, that'll be real nice. We trying to go and finish breaking these records. Y'all think he gonna make a full pass or no full pass? No, this is not pre-recorded. This is the real deal happening right now. Oh, somebody say, I'm sitting simple, man. Say, I see 3,700. I'm live on TikTok and YouTube right now. On my YouTube, it's showing way better. 1080p HD, widescreen. Yeah, that's where I want y'all to go. They like, man, it's 3,700 people watching. Yeah, on TikTok. It's 800 on my YouTube. When y'all get over to my YouTube channel, let me know that way I can shout you out. Look out, look out. We got Louisiana over here, just came from TikTok, y'all. Appreciate that. Quit filtering, let us see. Go to my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. It's in HD, no filter, widescreen. You can put it on your TV, turn your phone sideways, all that. You ain't got nothing to complain about over there. They betting, all you gotta do is become a member. Yeah, it's going down. Y'all come on over here. Lookout Racing on YouTube. Look out, look out. That's right. Look out, look out. Y'all hear them over here? Let me see what they talking about. Look out, look out. What's up with it, man? Hey, hey. Oh, look at my boy, man. Hey, what's up with it, man? We got Mike Mitchell's Life just came from TikTok. What's up with it? Bob Ross, he said he been watching my channel all this year. It's the best one. Kim Garcia. Oh, snap. Kim Garcia then came. Oh, shit, I'm crying too on her. God damn, let me change it around. Flip camera. Yeah, we got a Superman. A Superman. If I bought a Super, that's what I'll name it. Superman. Superman. Yeah, with the S. That truck got out that gate. You like that? Hey, Jones Gang just came from TikTok. Slim Tim. Slim Tim. Is you really that skinny? Yeah, this that new Superman. Let me see what he got in there. Hey! Hey, man, tell him what you got done to this thing. E85 tune. Downpipe. And cold air intake. Oh, y'all, he got that intake, y'all. Golly. Hey. Hey, do you ever take people for rides in it? Yeah, man, when is gonna be my turn? Huh? When? Next time? Right now? Okay, I'm finna, hey, y'all, we finna get in here, man. Huh? I got you a sticker right here. Bam. Oh, well, heard you really official, so you supposed to get this one. Give me that one back. Yeah, you official. Hey, let's go, y'all. I ain't never folding this Super. I ain't even know it was running. This thing quiet. Man, this thing ain't too quiet. Ain't no extra exhaust noise. Okay. Okay. I do feel that a little bit. Okay. Yeah, if y'all ain't never been. What year is this Super, man?
21.
This a 21 Super. Got that intake, tune, E85. Do you just get it out the pump or you be getting that high dollar E85?
Out the pump, but
sometimes you put that high dollar, you mix it?
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome, Rick. We got. Oh yeah. Okay, welcome, Rick. We got a new member. What's up with it, Rick?